Hello drone friends, this is Alan at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday morning. Welcome to another week here in drone industry land. First up this week, Microsoft recently shared a preview of AirSim, a simulator that uses artificial intelligence to test and train autonomous drones in realistic flight scenarios. Pretty neat. Now, the simulator is not made just for small drones. It's also used for taxi drones, other large advanced aerial mobility vehicles like giant cargo drones. And the simulator has taken 5 years to develop. Lots of AI and machine learning and all that fancy stuff. Who is this for? Well, drone companies could use it to see how their drones might operate in actual scenarios. They can run models on their autonomy algorithms, putting them to the test before trying them out in the real world. So, exploring how the drone would fly in extreme weather conditions, how the battery life might be affected, and so on. Microsoft is also curating a library of simulated 3D environments of urban and rural landscapes under AirSim. This library will be able to pull up specific locations like Nashville, Tennessee, or Italy, as well as generic spaces like an airport. Very cool stuff, Microsoft. Next up, a university in Louisiana will be using drones to improve safety on campus. There have been some gaps in security, and the new police chief, Rod Demery, has seen how so many other public safety departments have adopted drone technology, and he is a big fan.
They can be used for a lot of different reasons, and in our particular instance, we're going to use them for surveillance, video, security systems.
He has emphasized that drones are just another tool in their toolbox. They're not the end-all, be-all. But the drones will be used for things like crowd control surveillance and identifying and tracking people who apparently sometimes aren't where they are supposed to be. Lastly, a few weeks ago, we reported about Amazon launching their drone delivery program in the small town of Lockford, California. Well, they just announced they will be launching a second location in College Station, Texas very soon. For those of you who watch the TV show The Office, here's Michael Scott.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Yes, it's happening, folks. This is significant because it shows that Amazon is ready not only to do drone deliveries at all, but to roll them out on scale on multiple locations. In some instances, we've seen drone delivery companies start with small test sites and kind of see how it goes. When we heard that Amazon was launching only in Lockford, which has a population of just over 3,500 people, we thought that's what was happening. But if Amazon's going to be doing drone delivery in College Station, larger population, over 100,000 people, looks like their program might be further along than we thought. It's also worth noting that Amazon's Part 135 certificate could give it permission to do drone delivery in several other locations. This means it may emerge as an actual contender on the drone delivery front, despite years of challenges to get a program launched. What do you think about Amazon's drone delivery program? Let us know in the comments below. All right, folks, that's all we have for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest drone news. Remember to check out the links below to read more. Thanks for watching, and as always, to all of you drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying.